people you see with qualifications like the CGMA, how useful are they to you immediately? Do you have to develop further their leadership, or do they already have some leadership skills?
It's in parallel, because we always have a lot of training for skills, several training every year should have, and moreover we have very good training for new managers, new senior managers, and so it's in parallel. That's why it's helped, because on one side you have very good education, and you understand, because CGMA is very good, you understand theory. You can understand theory of leadership, theory of management. It's a lot of in CGMA. It's not only finance or management accounting. It's a lot of about managing people, how to manage company, how to manage. Because it's HR part, it's IT management, it's a lot of things. So, and when it's parallel, it's just special training for special skills. It's very good, because people who's growing with studying CGMA, some skills, finally they have a very good career, because they have very good growth, very good development.
Coming to Alex from DHL again, the CGMA report, the talent pipeline, says pretty bluntly that the quality of metrics in the HR area are not up to the quality of metrics you would get in other areas around the business. Is that something you agree with?
Oh dear, this is a tough cookie. I need to work hard to stay politically, and that I do not go too deep here. I think we were swapping a few words here when warming up for this conference, and I think there was one statement I would agree with that said, well, if we in finance were scoring the same levels as HR did, yeah, we'd all be in prison. I think this is not only about us working in multinational companies, but this is sort of a general perception. Now, there's obviously two components to that. One component is, HR itself, and the other component is the rating one. Yeah, why are they seen? What are the benchmark they are measured against? Obviously, dealing with people factors means dealing with soft factors that are other than in finance. There is more truth about what is right and wrong when it comes to financial numbers than it is with HR metrics. So the question starts with, to me, what do we really want from HR to measure? Yeah, so what information is business critical for us? And what is our understanding what to do with these KPIs that we are being provided by HR?
Can I just move the debate on a little bit to performance management of people? The CGMA report says that people, C-suite executives, don't think that the incentives and tools to things like performance-based bonuses work very well. In Unilever, is that your impression, or do you feel that you've got the incentives aligned with the strategy of the organisation?
Yeah, I think I do. It's part, this part of the research or the report I didn't really recognize from my own day-to-day experience. So I think there's good alignment starting from the strategy into the individual target setting, into the individual, performance management of people, mid-year reviews, year-end reviews, and how that then translates into the remuneration of people. And we have harmonized systems and processes in this respect across the globe. But I see them working well in Russia as well. Of course, there are local nuances, so I think there is probably a slightly higher focus in the Russians' minds on monthly cash rather than something which is going to happen somewhere in the future.